Hello friends, in this video I will show you insert traffic symbol in world. So it is very easy to insert. So first you need to click on insert and this last option symbol, just click on it and click on more symbols. Now in this screen you need to font select this one and character code is just type 26D4. Just type this character code and click on insert. Now second one is this 26D9. Just type this character code and click on insert. And third one 26D6. Just type this character code and click on insert. And fourth one is 26D7. Just type this and click on insert. And this one 26D4. Just type this and click on insert. Just type this character code 26CD and click on insert. This 26D5. Just type this character code and click on insert. Just type this 26FD. Just type this character code and insert. And 26FE. Just type this and click on insert. And type this 1F6A5. Just type this character code and click on insert. Now this one 1F6A6. Just type this and click on insert. And this one 1F6B7. Type this character code and click on insert. Just select this one and character code is 1F6B8. just type this and click on insert. Just this one 1F6C2. just type this and click on insert and close it. So this all will be traffic symbol. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.